Hello mates, welcome to a new episode of VBC DIY channel. In this episode I'm going to show you a project that I'm working on for the past 2 weeks. How you already know, in the past 2 weeks it was really hard for everyone. So when I found out that everything is going to close, I've just run to a DIY shop and prepared myself for a new project to use my spare time in a inventive way. So what I've done, I've run to a DIY shop and buy some metal bars and everything I need for this project. So how you can see, my new project, it's a Chopper Motorized Bicycle. Hope you like it. Booyah! Now let's have a close-up and let's discuss what kind of ideas I used to build it. This is normally the speed changer that I've modified, and I've created this bracket, and I'm gonna use it just as a chain tensioner. Over here we have the brakes. That they work really fine. Here I used two bicycles suspensions on the back. Right here we have two hinges, but they are not normal hinges. Actually they are really heavy duty. They are made to be used for gates, so they're from one piece. They are made from one piece. There is no cut here. So they are very strong. Here I use this freewheel sprocket that I modified so it can spin both sides. So I'm gonna use it as a deviation of the chain so it doesn't touch the motor right here. The motor, it's hanged in two brackets. It's one here and one on the back over there. On the front I've kept this 3 speeds system, and I managed to secure it. So if I go on a hill or I don't know, I just want to ride really slow, I'm just gonna change on a smaller gear. This fuel tank, that probably I'm gonna change it with a bigger one, 4 liters. This is 2 liters. I've built this bracket and it sits really nice and secure on them.